Hello and welcome to my new video. In my last video, I explained the App Engine Studio, which includes overview, tools, pillars, phases, and application scope. In this video, I will explain the workspace, which includes overview, agent views, key features, types, and benefits. So let's start with the overview of workspace. Workspace is a single pane view that Tier 1 agent use to respond to all task types, view the full context of an issue, and get relevant recommendation to resolve issues. With Workspace, agents can have multiple issues open at same time in a tabbed format. Uh, Agents can quickly move between each issue without going to a different screen. They can use the ribbon to get useful high-level information about an issue and use the activity stream to communicate with requester or view a history of agent and requester interaction. The sidebar on the right automatically provides recommendation that help agent to resolve issues. A workspace is a targeted experience for a specific type of user of an application. A workspace includes data visualization and other user experience components to allow a user to interact with an application. For example, the asset workspace contain all the components and data. An asset manager needs to understand and manage which assets are in the location and stockroom, which assets are eligible for renewal, and which assets have open incident. So let me open the asset workspace for the further understanding. So for this, let me open my personal developer instance. So in workspace, this is the agent workspace, and this is the first page, which contains the data visualization of assets, overall performance, then 360 asset view, and you can say that asset request, transfer orders, stock orders. So this all information is available on, you can say that single workspace provides all the information about the assets. Then agent views. Agent use the different views in workspace like landing page, list view, record view, and agent chat. Landing page is the first page that an agent sees when opening workspace. Shows which issues the agent can work on. For example, the agent can look at the landing page to see the number of open issues and the work that is assigned to the agent. Then list view. A list filter list of all records in the database that agent used to see, for example, all cases, only open cases, and the other cases agent used to view to find issues to work on. Then record view. The view that agent used to work on issue. The view includes in-depth record information and suggestion about how to resolve issue and communicate with requester. Then agent chat enables agent to chat with the requester automatically route in incoming chat request to appropriate agent. So let's explore these views on my developer instance. For example, we open the this workspace, then this is the, you can say that, landing page of workspace, which shows that there is one task assigned to me, unassigned task is one, and critical task is one. So landing page shows that the task assigned to me, unassigned task, and different type of you can say that task and options. Then this is the list view, which contain the list of you can say that all the uh, records. For example, this is the record. When I click on this, then it open the record view. So in this way, You can say that as information of a single record is available, and you can see that detail and everything is available on a single pane. So this is the you can say that these are the different views of a workspace. Then key features. Single pane view. Agent can see all the details that are related to an issue in one place. So it displays the workspace display all the issues, or you can say that all the details related to an issue in a single pane or single place. Then integrated communication channels. Agents can communicate in real time with the customer by agent chat or phone in the same interface. So this is the another feature of you can say that workspace. Then integrated email client. Agents can read and respond to emails side by side. Then agent assistance. Agents can close cases and incident faster with artificial intelligence assisted recommendation. Then playbook. Agents can accomplish business process workflows in a simple task oriented view. Then record workspace tab. Agents can reorder tabs to meet their personal preferences and working style by clicking and dragging tabs, or by using Control plus Shift and directional arrow keys. So these are the different you can say that key features of a workspace that it provides us a single pane view. Then for communication it provides different options and agent assistance, and number of features are available in a workspace. Then types. All workspace enable agents to find issue, solve them, and communicate the solution to requester. Each workspace is tailored to the kind of issue that the agents work on. ServiceNow provides different type of, you can say that, support different workspaces like CMDB workspace, agent workspace for HRSD, agent workspace for request management, dispatcher workspace, field service in CSM agent workspace, IT management agent workspace, service owner workspace, survey designer, vendor manager agent workspace, workforce optimization for customer service, workforce optimization for ITSM, customer service management agent workspace. So this is the, you can say that, list of workspaces. Like if we talk about the CMDB workspace provide an easy to navigate interface that helps service agents search and explore essential CMDB configuration items, examine health and recent activity, access various CMDB dashboards, and support dashboard and tools to support tasks in your organization, and drill down to related items such as change, incident, and timeline. Then agent workspace for HRST. HR agent interact with the employee, respond to inquiries and resolve issues. Then agent workspace for request management. Agent workspace for request management integrates the platform functionality specific to tier 1 agents into an easy to navigate interface. Then you can say that dispatcher workspace is a configurable service desk application that provides an integrated and intuitive user experience, enabling dispatchers to be more efficient. So these are the, you can say that, different workspaces for different purposes. Then benefits. There are a number of benefits of workspaces, like increased productivity, deliver engaging experience, work smart, work fast, build quickly. So we can solve issues faster with the everything you need in one place. So all everything is provided in a single pane or single place. So we can you can say solve issues faster and increase the productivity of our system. Then deliver engaging experience. Simply in workspaces, we simplify how your teams work using context-driven information and resources. Then work smart, work fast, surface insights, and deliver initiative information based on the historical data and context. Then build quickly, create and configure engaging experience to boost your team's efficiency. So these are you can say that different benefits of workspace. So that's all for this session. Before I wrap up, let's quickly review that what I have covered in this session. I have covered the overview of workspace, then agent views, then key features, types, and benefits. So that's all for this session. In my upcoming video, I will cover the domain separation. Thank you.